If you took a Range Rover Evoque and shrunk it down for a city budget, this is exactly what you'd get. This is the 2026 Jaecoo J5. It's the newest member of the Chery family, and it's coming for the hearts of everyone who wants luxury style without the luxury payment. Whether you want a silent electric cruiser or a punchy petrol daily, Jaecoo is making a big statement. Welcome back to DRX AUTO MOBI. Today, we're finding out if this budget-friendly Brit-style SUV is actually premium or just a pretty face. The J5 EV is the flagship here. It packs a 155 kilowatt motor and a 60.9 kilowatt-hour battery. It's surprisingly quick, hitting 60 in just 7.3 seconds. The ride is neutral, not too bouncy like some other affordable EVs, and it handles tight city corners with ease. For 2026, it supports 80 kilowatts DC fast charging, getting you from 30 to 80% in about 30 minutes. It's the perfect my first EV for someone who doesn't want to compromise on that tall, commanding SUV seating position. Step inside, and the premium aura continues. The dashboard was inspired by a waterfall, flowing down into a massive portrait-style infotainment screen. Jaecoo also included some smart living features we haven't seen elsewhere, like antibacterial materials on high-touch surfaces and a dedicated pet-friendly space in the rear. With the column-mounted gear shifter, the center console is wide open for storage, making it one of the most practical cabins in the compact segment. The real shocker is the price. In Australia, the petrol version starts at just $25,990. Drive away for the track trim that undercuts the Hyundai Kona and the Corolla Cross by a massive margin. Even the EV Summit at $36,990 is making it one of the most affordable electric SUVs in the country. And since it's backed by a 7-year warranty, you get that peace of mind that used to be reserved for the big-name brands. It's a lot of car for not a lot of money. The 2026 Jaecoo J5 is proof that you don't need to break the bank to drive. Something that looks and feels special. Would you take the petrol or the EV? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for DRX AUTO MOBI. Catch you in the next one.